Welcome to the video tutorial of Mindspark. In this video, we will learn about the process of logging into Mindspark by an unequally through tablet. On the later part of the video, we will also learn about the screening test as well as the quarterly assessment test. Before working in Mindspark, first you need to turn on your tablet and check if the tablet's connectivity to the local server is proper or not. Here you can see an image of the local server box, which is the Raspberry Pi box. Then you can see the image of the USB cable, which is used to connect the Raspberry Pi with the battery or the power bank. And thirdly, you can see an image from the screenshot where we are connecting the tablets with the local server. So firstly, this whole image is shown just to show the connection between the local server and the tablets. Please keep in mind that if the tablets are not properly connected with the local server, then the students will not be able to log in into Mindspark. Now, click on the icon of the Mindspark app named as Nandi Student already present on the tablet. Just after this, the Nanikali will enter her login ID and click on the next button for the password as shown in the image. On the next screen, select one picture from each line which is correct for your password as shown in the picture and then click on the login button. Please keep in mind that the Mindspark ID and password are always provided beforehand by the Mindspark's team for every Nanikali or student. Just after choosing the password, there will be an option to select one out of 3 subjects on the next screen. Here, the Nanikali can start their work in Mindspark by choosing any one of the subject out of the 3 subjects according to the timetable of their ASC. For example, we will select Math as a subject here. When the Nanikalis log in into Mindspark for the first time, they will automatically start receiving the questions of the screening test, which is also known as the level test. Now, click on the icon of the Mindspark app named as Nandi Student already present on the. It is necessary for every Nanikali to give this test so that Mindspark can determine the actual learning level of the Nanikalis. In Mindspark, the Nanikalis start to learn and progress from their actual learning level. Please note that the teachers or CAs should take care of not helping the Nanikalis in solving the questions during their level test, otherwise the learning level will not be determined correctly. Just after completing the level test, there is another test for the Nanikali, which will be taken by Mindspark after every 3 months, which is known as the quarterly assessment test. The purpose of this test is to check the progress made by the Nanikalis in Mindspark after every 3 months. The report of this test will also be provided by Mindspark. After the learning level is assigned to a Nanikali, the questions in the quarterly assessment test will be according to their actual learning level assigned by Mindspark. Just after the test, on the initial days, the Nanikalis will work on the worksheet in Mindspark as per their class level. Here you can see the example of the question from the worksheet which is shown in the picture. After some days, the Nanikalis will start working in Mindspark according to their actual learning level. The CAs should make it sure that the Nanikalis answer the question in Mindspark after understanding and without any rush. Also, the CAs can help the Nanikalis wherever they are having difficulty in understanding the questions. Hope you understand how a Nanikali will log in through tablet to work in Mindspark. Thank you.